Guys, eat tayo ng egg roll. Egg roll?
Wipe the blind.
This is yummy. Binili namin dyan sa Peking Garden Chinese restaurant. Egg roll. Subang init. Yung aking asawa nagtatago. Ay, ano siya? Camera shy type. Why you don't like Pizza Hut, asawa? Hmm?
Who are you talking to?
I'm asking you why you don't like Pizza Hut.
Because I don't.
Pizza Hut is yummy as well. Mm. When was that?
What?
I've seen you having a hard time to
It's hot.
because it's hot. Look yung it's yummy even without dipping sauce. Okay, kasi sa unahan paalis na ang ilaw niya. Okay guys, bye-bye na kasi magdadrive na ako. See ya! Like and subscribe!
Bye.